CJ is saying, I know some Korean songs. Well, you know what, CJ? I know a Korean song too. Would you like to hear it? Okay, I'm going to sing my Korean song. 안녕하세요. Ang laban na to. 안녕하세요. Ang laban na to. Ho, 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 ho. Hey, that's my Korean song. Nuna
Oh,
Nuna Singa.
wow. It's my first time to hear that song. What
You
does
don't
that
know
mean?
this song?
I don't know. It's my
Oh
first time.
no. Really? It's your first time to hear it? It's from my favorite boxer, Manny Pacquiao. 안녕하세요. Ang laban na to. Oh, 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 oh. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, Anuna. Okay. Now, my next question. Because the first time I saw you was in Miri.